We're talking about Kaizen, the Japanese word for continuous improvement. Do you ever feel like you're stuck in a rut? Like you're not making any progress towards your goals? Well, Kaizen principles might just be the answer you're looking for. Kaizen is philosophy that emphasizes small, incremental improvements. It's a mindset that encourages us to look for purchases, to improve and make change on a daily basis. The Kaizen approach can be applied to any aspect of your life, whether it's your personal habits, your work routines, or your business process. One of the key principles of Kaizen is to focus on the process, not the outcome. By focusing on the process, you can identify areas that need improvement and make change that will lead to better outcomes. This approach is especially useful in business, where it's easy to get caught up in the numbers and lose sight of the bigger picture. Another important principle of Kaizen is to involve everyone in the improvement process. This means that every employee, from the CEO to the frontline worker, is responsible for identifying and making improvements. By involving everyone in the process, you can tap into the collective knowledge and creativity of your team, leading to better ideas and more effective solutions. Kaizen also emphasizes the importance of measuring progress. By setting clear goals and tracking your progress towards those goals, you can stay motivated and focused on making continuous improvements. This principle is especially important in business, where it's essential to track your performance indicators to ensure that you're making progress towards your objectives. So, there you have it, the Kaizen philosophy in a nutshell. By applying these principles to your life and business, you can make continuous improvements and achieve success. Remember to focus on the process, involve everyone in the improvement process, and measure your progress towards your goals. By doing so, you will be on your way to continuous improvement and success. Thanks for watching.